Containers have taken over the tech world, but there is often confusion between two of the biggest names, Docker and Kubernetes. These both essential to modern app development, but they're not the same thing. So what does each one do? When should you use one over the other? And are they even competitors? In this video, we will break it all down clearly and simply. Let's dive in. Docker, lightweight containerization. First up is Docker. Think of Docker as your container toolbox. It lets developers package up an app with all its libraries, dependencies, and runtime into a single container. These containers are super lightweight, portable, and can run anywhere. Your laptop, the cloud, or production servers. Pros, easy to set up and use, works across different environments, great for development and testing. Tons of tools like Docker Hub, Docker Compose, Docker Swarm. Cons, doesn't manage multiple containers at scale. No built-in monitoring, scaling, or orchestration features. Now, let's talk about Kubernetes, often called K8 or K8s. It's an orchestration platform, meaning it doesn't create containers, it manages them. When you're running dozens or even thousands of containers across servers, Kubernetes keeps them running, balances the load, restarts them if they crash, and even auto-scales based on traffic. Pros, automated container deployment and scaling. High availability and self-healing, ideal for production at scale. Works with many container runtime, not just Docker. Cons, steep learning curve, complex to set up and manage, overkill for small or local projects. So which one should you use? Here's the thing. Docker and Kubernetes are not enemies, they are teammates. You use Docker to build and run containers and Kubernetes to manage them in clusters. If you're just developing apps locally or testing microservices, Docker alone is perfect. But if you're deploying apps at scale across multiple machines, Kubernetes is a must. Most real-world teams actually use both together. In short, Docker is for creating and running containers. Kubernetes is for managing them across fleets of services. Together, they power the modern cloud. So which one do you use? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tech breakdowns. So see you in the next one.